Welcome back. We're at day 24, 30 days, 30 opals. This opal has a color bar that's right here along this bottom edge. I'm going to attack it from this side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rub Yep, that's the same color bar. I just saw a color flash here, but that's the same color bar. So I'm going to rub a flat on this side, and then we're going to take it down to the opal from this side. So here we go. I'm trying to get it as parallel that opal layer as I can. Doesn't look too bad there. Okay, let's go ahead and take in some of these edges. Make it a little easier to hang on to and hold. Getting into that opal layer there. Okay, so you guys can see this. There's a pink opal layer deposit on the top of this. And I've got another layer down deeper. That's the one I'm going for, is down there. This is it's deposited. It's a little soft on the top, like it didn't quite bake hard enough. Anyway, we're gonna go through that and go down for the one below it. And the one below it's more colorful from what I can see from the side anyway, so. we've gotten through the bulk of that top. So now we're just going to start taking a little bit at a time. And we're going to look for color to start to show up. Alright, now I'm starting to see the color showing through. I've got a little bit more depth, but we're going to switch. Move over to the next wheel. I can see I've got a little bit further to go down to hit the bar. But that color is starting to shine through. Starting to see it a little more. We're coming into it. Okay, we are right on top of it now. It's just about ready to pop through. It's looking like a good color bar. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move over to the next wheel. looks like. The color's showing through really nice. Got a bit of a chip here in this corner, so we need to take care of that. Don't want that to expand out and cause us a problem later on. That's pretty much our opal. Let's go ahead and get it on a dop and get some polish to it. That's a pretty nice little white opal. Tickled to death with that. It's got a real thin little color bar, but it's enough to give it some great color. So anyway, we'll put this on a dop. I'll be right back and we'll polish it. All right, we got this on a dop stick. We're ready to start the polish process. So alright, I just got done with the 50,000 grit cerium oxide wheel. This is really nice colorful opal. I'm hoping, see if I move my camera just a touch and then I can see what you're seeing. See if those colors are shining through a little bit. Maybe and darken the exposure a little bit, and then you can see what those look like. Nice white opal. Good color bar. Looks really nice, actually. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in and sticking it through this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. And this concludes day 24 of 30. Appreciate you guys. Thanks so much.